Ebushon for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ebushon for aha you do, baby, aha you de, Ayɛ Butu yeah, tout le monde galoper, allez danser, allez bouger, allez danser, Escrit originally. Bebe say I na me niagia. Yense me didi o. Debi. E me didi anka metu nyom bi say me didi na me niagie. Say me didi na me niagie. Every say enye me na me ton. Say me didi na me niagie. Anka me didi eduane asem anka no. But the reason I'm happy, and say me I like violence. Team violence. About violence is the media present there. Now, violence, I also see me reported live a mamu say. Oko presidency, the seat of government. Maybe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Juma wano. Ntokwabi, fight be pan, brood, war, pipeline mo serious fight be. Now, serious fight way, munim say, media no, yaton media no, and there's no way practically you hear from the mainstream media about some of these things. Ghana TV soon kwana with information be. Now, where beside one said, fight near between wine and wine. Fight near between Julius, debrah, chief of staff, and the vice president, Professor Nana Jane Pokwajiman. Now, him say, per our sources our NDC mu, say Julius debrah epese obeye flag bearer of the NDC. Again, Yemami Nana Jane Pokwajiman also pese obeye the first female flag bearer of NDC. And both of them are eyeing a seat that is just about 2 years away from them. Right? Now, since both of them are eyeing that seat now, they will try as much as possible say, the current Abayemono, they will outshine each other. The Prof. Jane try to outshining chief of staff. Chief of staff will try to outshining Prof. Jane, our vice president. Now, Prof. Jane Beka say, Adia Ayomo campaign promise, one of the biggest campaign promise of the NDC, if not the biggest, our 24-hour economy. I started. Prof. Jane no. Or see 24-hour economic campaign promise no. I started here for 4 years Juma Krana. Don't mind NPP form here naysayers. The NPP form kwana umet me aka 24-hour economy and start here. But while we Ghana ni, and as we MDC ni there, obia teme who say 24-hour economy no I started. Ebushon for Bible Kasembi, I think is in Exodus say, the Lord shall fight for you and you shall hold your peace. I believe say in this very scenario, no, a sad dear neighbor, the Lord is fighting for MPP and MPP is holding their peace. Prof. Jemba Bontibeka, Oba Bontibeka's assembly, Ena, Onuya, Julius Debrah, to sorry, Oko grant on one interview. Or see, 24-hour economy in Ukraine, yen start here, yen shall see. Now, one of those policies are Russia ko implement and as I start there be. And omu take it time, omu pass legislations be answer. Na sana omu kiki start 24-hour economy no. And you say I want say mummy no mu adwuma baby back o. Mu nyina mu Jubilɛɛ house no. Say ban say na vice president me babonte beka say policy no mu start. And a chief of staff no say Munya start here. Whom should we believe now? Or it is that maybe scanning a release for 24-hour economy initiatives. No? And as can I call you be bottom man. Say no, I'm the country. Maybe a vice president no way who say scanning a release. Scan a question one bottom. The Pacono is Canberra, Ayɛ word. We are still waiting to see the day DKB and Tikesiano in advert or where hook up be done in China or say 2 a.m. or call and our man check, I'll call cash checking at 2 a.m. No. Yeah, trends are done. The day will be able to go to the bank and go and make transactions at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. as NDC has promised. That is what we are most interested in. And mun talk one kitikiti na mun kun or saf Jubilɛɛ house honum because we say we kind of say flag bearer from party no. Mun find on to nchen and we implement policy na yehwe. Ebusan for bet me amboa channel way with our upcoming studio project ewo beautiful modern studio project. The total cost is 25,000. We believe, sir, with your help, your contributions, we will make it come to pass and we give you better production, bring more people on board to present the beautiful stories and the beautiful political rants, podcasts on so Eba. And we can donate to the number down here. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Leave a comment. I read all of them and I reply to each and every one of them. Don't go anywhere. There's a beautiful conversation up next. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Unfortunately, sir, consistently they've been voting for
1 minute. The most important one, government's approach towards the 24-hour economy policy prioritizes planning over haste. Julius debrah. And so na grandma months ago, na grandma Ekojina baby said the 24-hour economy has yielded fruit through the show 24-hour, bill 24-hour, play 24.
Na Salaga MP so kase Obano. So was it 24-hour? Oh yes. I don't know. About 2 weeks ago in Parliament, was it the 24-hour economy is working? No, Muzan said then the man who said 24-hour is working. Was it? We hear Riawo ni Kurumu Salaga. Na omo de be free south one na akomano. Na driver ni Timitri car na nadro. Edi be drew here.
Ahead of that.
So the 24-hour economy is working. But now we have Julius debrah also telling us now that they are now in the planning stage.
Yeah.
Also, when you know,
and the bill too, no. Yes. The bill no so called 133 nini.
Now 133. I'm making it's so unfortunate. Sir, I know people in Ghana, engineers who hail this thing. Qualified engineers, minimum bipa ukra masters, electrical engineering. But Oheli 24-hour economy says the game changer. Yes. Tama na ye kasa ye debate me chere say Charles ade we dey enye possible. Sa no ma no
ma oneso kakra wa ye se woni wo fem. Me dey me to nka bat ma oneso patcho ai me.
Me ka chere ne say sa ade we dey enye possible say aban bi di beye ne say obera ne 24-hour economy there be. One kasa no na obe empower factories. Say produce normal, so normal is in high demand. They will run the 24-hour economy themselves. They will run a 24-hour economy, but they will run a 24-hour shift themselves. And yeah, kasa ya my examples. Say Oko Konfanoche, Kolebu, they run a 24-hour service because of the demand for their service. The police, the security agencies, soldiers, and police in Ghana, they will run a 24-hour service. But sectors be okra 24-hour service, no, they run a thing. And now say because of digitalization, no, and we also run a 24-hour service. And we give examples like banks. Because they say banks are baba, umia the interoperability, abama, utimi transfer car, eco bank, utimi anytime. Into no crano, the bank in the class over 0.12. The more you need to be brave, or my bad the digital space, you know, over 0.12 BBNC. Right? You catch that amount for. But it's unfortunate, sir. The thinking of the Ghanaian and the medical cases, I see a question. Say, you said I research, say Ghanaian, you know, or think, say, now, man for say, the said this be about the minion who said is an idiot. But a man for say the said is be by say ya aki no here to 3 hours a day. I don't know. Now when a man who said this government is a scam. Yes, a scam. So omo pa akonwa na o NDC pa akonwa o and mama NDC be ka kire o no be dwane atamels a no ye saint amanfo se papa we de ni papa o atamels timi gina simpie so ka kire amanfo se cash and carry system na wo from 1957 ye gi independence na John Ajekum Kufuor tima be ye free wa wo de health insurance aba novelty obi ahu bi da ayo mo ya mo ka kire Ghana for se de Kufuor ye no owia mo me se me ba mema health insurance utua ne wampa unkwa na nyina untua bio atamels Ghana for say papa we do kan kro brand ho ase o he lied. Prof, may you so rest in peace. He lied to Ghanaians. Say, ye ba health insurance na afibia mutua. Mudi mu betua ne wan po bi antua biem. Ghana for si ye ba ni ebusa mo say na de na mo ka say obi a one time premium. Utua bia untua biem so ya hwehwe mu consult expert no mo say nya possible. Nya say de ni begu. This the NDC. I don't think that there was short memory, right? And this same NDC abakachira will say companies are omo ankasa nkroma omo heli na omo de ne pictures abobobobo omo taretare omo profile ho. Companies nkroma de ba nyina wagu no between 2009 to 2016 ono so betra so wa mie company ba kumpo. But wakacha so no ba oberane 24-hour economy obe providing minimum miensa in a particular company no bia be didi. Now oboya boy say mema hotels are running 24 hours. Then the ref say hotels no be running 24 hours ada. Mema night clubs. Mema bank. No man for say yeah obi be didi. Afa ye wi aban no ye ko utu ya tem afa no mo so mo plan. Into wa do ho to 24 hours no say ene be mu adwuma ye na way. It's shameful. Na me enye me wawa because ye de ni NDC ye nim do betimi aye. The man this year so special and say almost everybody within the party is corrupt, from the grassroots person to the presidency. Most people within the NDC are so lazy, say they want cheap money. Internet akwabi was I say become refinity. Also Madina. Na uba TikTok heya na ni videos utwagu. Say I'm so a signboard every
But your friend ex do.
do. Me so a signboard if you are refer the be fa hen fa ko hen nti NDC aba o mon kai me. Eno ano no keke. Nti also a signboard nti NDC aba o mon kai no ne yedan. Ayite powers ti baby no osu. Ena na adwuma ye boma NDC no omo ba o mu hu yen. Nti no akeke nti enya wodan. Nti that is how most of their members are. Omo pay cheap money. Say, wunye bibia magana abai, but yemfa taxpayers money ntwa ukaneko, and they've been doing it. And to be a say or you're entitled to it. And until that be a social intervention per jiska and this in ye bida. Say free SHSE. Say sika be komama one kasa afi de we are buying one timi say ho akere wo ma upeska kra ye no mafofro but open ne pama mofraninti you are sacrificing a lot to do this. NDC kwa Jimmy wonye onye sade ne da enti me de bia me ka say sa party we de omo join no but me research in there I will still stand by it. Say I am more of tribalism, divide and rule. Edu say na ye to abani wi na fa manfo ani aba omo so. Enya to abani wi e ko be 1.5 years, e ko 2 years almost say I had the biggest mistake voting for this party. But be ka be 6 months ami ato aba. Ye the tribal sentiment ni wura ni pada dwini mu ama. Na ni wura fi bibia. Kasa NDC ni nya ba, ye be pagya no aye no nipa so nku bi from all other people within the country. But omo ba no mama Ghana for nse si from. Entiana Julius debrah. Wama gusita no ankasa. Say it's in the planning stages. They no more planning. Mo kwede. So mudru baby am say edu katia say omo be ma for electricity a. We use electricity and we are we use electricity and we tariffs nko. We are one now use electricity a. Ni nyina we. Mame fancy no obi so mfa ya bi. But